G'day guys, how's it going? So quick little update. Today we are moving out of our apartment. We live in Unit 78, number 1 to 5 Burke Street in Mascot, New South Wales. And the building is currently, I guess, in this kind of evacuated state. There's lots of cracking going on. We've found a new place, which is not far. It's about 1 kilometre from where we live right now. I'm obviously not going to tell you my address though. And we're moving out everything. So there'll be a bit of a break in the videos. There'll probably be a few weeks at least until the next video is up. At the moment, we're just focusing on getting all of our stuff out. We've been living here for quite a while now. It's quite a nice view. And yeah, we have the studio, as you know, that is behind me. So all this is going to be going, and we're moving into a new place, which is hopefully going to give us more space, make videos a lot easier to make. And yeah, so I thought I'd just give you guys a quick update to where we are. I know you guys like moving vlogs, got Alexandra helping out. We've got a whole bunch of people coming to help. For those of you who have sent messages and said like, all the best and that kind of stuff, thank you very much. We appreciate the support, and we will see you guys maybe later today. There might be a part 2 to this, part 3 to this. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update to where we're at, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.